the Web 2.0 profiles. If you're on a super budget, the Web 2.0 profiles are going to cost you quite a lot of money. There's about 400 of them that it needs to create. Maybe not 400, but there's a lot. Okay, if you're not on a budget and you definitely want to make sure these tier ones get indexed with your blogs, with your NAP in there, link back to your website, your embedded YouTube video, by all means add this, and it's really going to help Google find and index all of that great content. If you're on a budget and you can't afford it, just leave it out. You're still going to get a good bang for your bucks with bookmarks and status. Okay, so we can click complete on this, and it says it's going to cost 427 points. This is really, really good, right? I just want to do a little bit of maths with you now. Maths, however you say, depending on where you are. 1,000 points cost $7. Okay, so we divide that by 2, $3.50. This entire campaign is costing me less than $3.50. Okay, here's the beauty of this. Yes, I've just had to pay $5 for the article. Okay, but we're at $5 plus $3.50. We're at $8. For that, I'm going to end up with 10 or 20 unique blogs. I'm going to end up with 20 to 50 social bookmarking links. I'm going to end up with 100 or a couple of hundred Web 2.0 profile links and StatusNet. Okay, I actually went to Fiverr to look, you know, there's a website, fiverr.com, to look what's available at the moment that would match something like this campaign. I'd actually need to buy 4 different gigs at a cost of $20 as opposed to this costing like $8. So it's already half the price of Fiverr, but I've got no control whatsoever with Fiverr gigs in terms of what the content is going to look like when it's posted, what content they're going to use to start with. I don't know whether they've stolen it from somebody else's website. So really, even if I was just to create these small little campaigns like this at $3.50 a time, $5, let's say less than $10, it's half the price of Fiverr. I've got complete control over what it is. I get to click the preview button at the end to make sure that it's definitely what I want to go out and there's no mistakes. I just can't say enough that I think that this software is an absolute flipping no-brainer. It really is for what's going to come out of it at the end of this. It's taken me an hour. We've been on this webinar just over an hour, but remember how much I've explained everything along the way. I mean, I can get these campaigns set up in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, less than $10. I'm going to get fantastic links pointing back. My NAP's being distributed out there, and I've got complete control. So I'm just going to click start on that, and then that's going to run off and do those things for me.